Hi, I'm Nate with Big League Lawns. I'm going to show you guys how to properly install a channel nut after it has fallen out or you have accidentally removed it when you first got your striper. So when you get your striper, it should be tightened down. So you would need to take a wrench to it because of shipping purposes, we'll lose them in shipping if they're not tight. So it should be tight, you take a wrench to it, you loosen it up. The goal is to just simply remove the bolt and the lock nut, or lock washer. Leave the channel nut in there. But if the channel nut comes out, that's okay. It has a spring on the bottom, and these teeth right here, these teeth need to be parallel to the underside of this rib in the channel. So to achieve that, you'll notice that the edge right here and the edge right here is worn away. That is to allow us to achieve a 90-degree counterclockwise or clockwise turn. So you compress the spring with 2 fingers to hold it flat to where it's beneath the rib of the channel. Then you turn that 90 degrees. Once there, the spring will push it back up and the teeth will bite. So that shouldn't move. Even if the spring were somehow defective and it's not pushing it up, that's okay too, because the bolt, once fed through the arm and tightened down, will pull the channel nut up and bite down that way. So all you have to do is, again, place the channel nut parallel to the channel, press down with both fingers, turn clockwise, and you're good to go.